feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.
Alright guys, so we finally installed the cold air intake for the car. Sorry if the mic, the quality is not the best today. I don't have my external mic connected to the phone, but I just wanted to show you guys how it sounds now. You can actually hear it when the car is parked. You actually have to be on drive. Right now I'm going home. I just took it for a test drive. No lights came on. And I think everything's working fine, so let me show you. Hope you can hear. I don't know if y'all can hear that air, air release when it lets out all the air out. I'm gonna try to get a better sound for you guys. I'm gonna try to, stick the phone out. From this angle a little more, I think. I don't know. Hope you guys can hear that. Let me close the windows. Maybe that fixes it a bit and get away from that car a bit. And I'll turn on the AC. Here we go. I don't know if you can hear that, guys. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's any other videos you would like to see about it, with it, or any questions that you have. Just leave it in the comments right down below. So yeah, we got more things coming to the car in the near future, so stick around. Peace.
Your relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time.